I don't think there's anything that can come out of this circle that is going to surprise me. It's going to be the most cliche shit I've ever seen in my life. Are you fucking serious? What the?
It's okay. I'll just wait for Darwin to call.
Most common countries of manufacture seem to be Pakistan and Germany, and the price difference goes all the way from here to here.
What do you think he's listening to?
Probably death metal or hard rock.
4 big guys, and they grab on my thighs, blow up my guts like the 4th of July.